What's up, YouTube fam?
How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Candace, and today I'm going to try to recreate a hairstyle from another YouTuber. Her name is Naturally Samora, and she did this super cute, super easy, like 2-braid braid-out, which I feel like is perfect for lazy naturals like me, because sometimes you don't feel like doing all that. So if I can put my hair into 2 pigtails and then unbraid it and come out with some big, fluffy, cute waves, then I'm all for that. But no lie, I am nervous because when I was looking at her tutorial, like, I'm not good at typing hair, but if I would have to say, I guess she has like fine 3B hair. I don't know. Like, her hair is so fine that she was able to, in the video, she was able to comb and detangle her hair with the rat tooth comb. So, and I don't have that kind of hair. Oh, and I'm also going to link her video down below so that way you guys can see it too. But just to get started, what I did on my hair is that, of course, I went ahead and washed my hair. I used the LUS sulfate-free shampoo and silicone-free conditioner. I have a review on these products on my channel, and I'll link that down below too if you want to see that. But I did use these products to wash my hair, and then I used their all-in-one styler as well, because I do feel like whenever I use their products, my hair, my curls get a little extra bounce. I just feel like my curls are more defined whenever I use their products. And because you guys know that I am low porosity, I did go ahead and apply this styler while I was in the shower. And so now we're just going to go on with the braids. So what I'm going to do is just go in with my old trusty pal, the Wetline Xtreme, just to give me a little bit more hold. And we're going to see how that goes. So let's get started. Okay, so while I was in the shower, I did go ahead and part my hair how I wanted it parted, just to make it easier. So I already have this side part, but it looks a little crooked. Let me see. Y'all, sorry for my fan. I hear it making all that noise. I don't know why all of a sudden it wants to make that weird noise. Alright, so I already got my hair parted, and I'm going to take my gel. And y'all, this is real simple. Only thing she did was just like brush her hair into 2 braids. So we're going to see if I can do that as well. But again, I am going to add gel because her hair was able to slick down on the front with just conditioner, and my hair doesn't do that.
I like to fight a little dirty, baby. If I opened up and caved in, would you hurt me, baby? I've been feeling like an alien, a refugee, an outsider. But sometime, you the first one made my heart beat, made my stomach drop with desire. It's no crime. I need a little bit of love from you. I need a little bit of trust from you. Oh, we can let the go.
Okay, so oh my goodness, I look like a little kid. Oh, I've been having a lot of people ask me for my age lately, ask me how old I am. Just so you guys will know, I'm 26. And I will be 27 in December. So that's how old I am. So yeah, so this was basically it. And I think she let hers air dry. Did she sit up under the dryer? I don't know. I can't remember what she did. But I'm going to sit up under the dryer, because I know that if I let this air dry, it's just going to start poofing up. You got to know your hair. You got to know your hair. Okay, so I'm about to get up under my dryer for I don't know how long. And I will see you guys when it's time to unbraid it. Hopefully it's cute, y'all. Like, oh. I mean, it'll be okay. If it's not, I'll just throw in a ponytail. But I do hope it's cute because hers is really cute. But anyway, I'll see y'all when I'm done.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I'm back. And I set up under the dryer. For the first time, I set up under the dryer for about 30 minutes. And everything up here was dry except for my braids, because I guess they were hanging below my dryer. So what I did was I pinned my braids up like this. Then I got back under the dryer for like 40 more minutes, and now I feel like my braids are completely dry. At least I hope they are. So we're gonna see how this goes. They feel dry. I hope they're dry all the way through because they feel dry. So I'm just gonna go through with my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine and put that on my hands. Slick this down, put some on the braids, and then start unbraiding. It is Okay, so and some of this is still like damp, so I'm gonna do like she did and get my diffuser. So hold on.
Please don't change, please don't stop. When you leave, it breaks my heart. I've been down, you've been hurt. Since that day I put you first. Oh, we can let the guns blow. I must admit I had no worries, doubts or reservations. Since an early age I became one with devastation.
Okay, so let's try this again. I guess I just fluff it out. Try to get rid of this part in the middle of my head and the back. I feel like instead of like waves, I got like she got like cute little waves like from her braid out. I feel like I just got like a little blowout. I feel like my new favorite thing is to put these gold bobby pins on everything.
Took you hostage and I saved you with no hesitation. They wanna stop it, but what's true don't need no.
So what do y'all think? I don't know. I'm really not sure how I feel about this. Okay, so I'm done. This is it. Did it come out like hers? No, she had like more definition. I feel like mine's is just poofy. Like I said, she had fine hair and I felt like my hair was too thick. Like for just to do 2 braids, I felt like it was too thick for it to be defined. So now I feel like I just got like a stretched out blowout was what I got instead of a braid out. I don't know, like I feel like it's cute for pictures. Maybe if I don't know. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Like I feel like it's cute, but it's just not, I don't know. I'm not in love with it. I might try it again. Okay, so when I stand up and look at myself in the mirror, like I do like it. I do like the style. My only thing is that, okay, the size that it is, how big it is right now, is perfect. I wouldn't want it to get any bigger, but I know my hair. And I know that in like 2, 3, 4 hours, it's going to be huge. And I don't want it to be that big. So I guess that's the only reason where I would give this hairstyle on me like some marks, some X's. It's because I know it's not going to stay this size. I know it's going to keep getting bigger and bigger. And then where I'm looking cute now, I'm going to be looking like Don King later. So I think that's it. That's what's freaking me out. But like I said, I do think this is cute, but I can't do a whole day in this. Nah, I can't. I know my hair. Anyway, this is my try at the 2 braid out. Let me know what you guys think below in the comments. And do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Explanation. Falling for you was a bad idea. Guess I've been bad.